Good morning and mega love shoutout. Welcome back to my channel. Mark this you forevermore. Ang babaeng walang forever pero mind together. So I have cough. So must do this hot water half and lemon half and then honey. So para po mabilis yung ano natin, yung ubo natin na mawala. So 1 spoon honey and half lemon like this. So pagka lagyan mo ng rice, ganyan siya, inumin mo siya guys before lunch before breakfast or before you sleep. So ito po yung gamot natin guys, lemon half and honey. Have a blessed day.